Hi there, here again with Wayne Herbert, founder of AI Assets. Just want to find out this week, for organisations still using spreadsheets and paper-based systems, what are they missing out on, and how does AI Assets change the game?
Yeah, good question. So they're missing out on obviously all the current data of the assets. I could give you 100 different case studies of people that are using exactly that spreadsheets. It was created probably 10 years ago, the spreadsheet, and they're still working from that outdated data. You're not really getting the best of it. You're sort of still using a lot of guesswork for what you need to do with your assets, when you need to replace them, when you need to maintain them. So it's really bringing it into the modern world. Obviously, we've seen the evolution of artificial intelligence in the last 12 to 18 months. Everybody now wants to get involved and do something with it. So in a property world, if you're using 10-year-old data, there's very little you can do with artificial intelligence that's going to be beneficial. So that's where you really need as up-to-date and accurate data as you can, and that's really the gap we're solving by creating that live asset register. You can depend on really accurate, up-to-date data.
Thanks, Wayne. That's a great explanation, insight. And again, if you want to find out more, please go to aiassets.io.